Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly show you how to create collection on Facebook Lite. So let's get into the video. So open up Facebook Lite and log into your account if you haven't. So once I've logged into your account here, what you're going to do, you're going to hit on these three lines on your top right there. So click on it. So once you click on it, now you will see all these options here. So you're going to go to your saved option here. So click on the saved option. So when you get to the saved option, there will be two tabs here. So click on the collections tab. So click on the collections tab, and then now you'll see all your collections items here. So if you want to create a collection, simply click on create collection, and then all you have to do now is simply give a name to your collection. So whatever you want to put it as, so you can just give a name to it, and then once you have given the name, so all you have to do is hit on create collection. So once you hit on create collection, then it will create one for you. So that's pretty much it. So that's how you create collection on Facebook Live. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.